folks, welcome back to Real Southern Outdoors. Now this weather's warming up, a lot of people getting out fishing. If you're bass fishing, you got pre-spawn, spawning fish, and the post-spawn, some of them a little bit going on there. So a lot of people's out getting out the crappie or in the shallows up there. So there's a lot of people getting out doing a lot of fishing right now. The weather's breaking. It's kind of up and down, cool, warm weather, cool weather, and all back and forth. But let me show you a tip. If you get out there, especially, this is a crappie jig, but any bait you're using like this right here, it works real good. That's how I set my crappie jigs up. You put your little jig on, this little jig head, or you put your soft plastic on, and after a time or two you catch a fish, it gets where it will not stay right up like that. It just keeps pulling down. Even though it's got that little keeper right there, it kind of tears, and it just will not stay. So today, I'm going to show you how to make life easier. Keep that right there in place, and let's get to it.
First thing I want to do is I'm going to take this soft plastic and I'm just going to pull it back just like that. I'm going to turn this jig over to make it a little easier on me. And here's what we're going to do here. What I want you to do is take you a piece of old braided fishing line. If you don't have any that you pulled off an old reel that you're saving, just cut you a piece off that you're using, and get you, I don't know, 1.5 to 2 foot. You won't need all of it, but a piece like that makes it a little easier to work with. Take this right here. Now, if you want to, you see that little barb. That little barb doesn't do a whole lot, as you know, because that's why you're watching this video, trying to figure out how to stop that. So you can take a pair of pliers. I know that's hard to see because that's a little. Trying to do this where y'all can see it, and I can hold it and y'all can see it, but there you go. Take your pliers and cut that off. Make that shaft kind of straight. Now you don't have to do that. It's just your choice. If I can get this to stay in there like I want it to, so y'all can see it. Okay, then what you want to do, take your piece of braided fishing line. Just hold it right on there, just like that. Just pinch it right up near that head there. And if it sticks over a little bit, that's fine. You can cut it off later. But then just kind of wrap it around that hook shank like that. And wrap up towards that head. That's going to hold that fishing line in place. I know this is wanting to dance around. But just wrap that braided fishing line in there just like that right there. You can kind of go by that right there, kind of however much you want, whatever you think you need. But it doesn't take a whole lot, but I like to just kind of put it on there and level it out. Now what you want to do to finish this off where to stay is, if you're into fly tying and all, you know, it's a whip finish, or some people call it a whip knot. Just hold your string out like that, take 2 fingers, you come across like that, and just, you're twisting it. Pull that loop over and right down, it'll tie itself on there. Again, just take your fingers, you line out, take your fingers like this and grab it, twist it over where you're just making a loop like this, putting it right over the bait, pulling it right back up into where you pulled that line, pull it down tight, just snug it down there and it'll stay. Take your pair of scissors and cut that off, get it out of your way. Now, what you want to do, let me take this out. Take your super glue, little dab of super glue, and put it on your fishing line there, that braid. That braid's going to soak that super glue up, and then slide your soft plastic up on there and let it set and dry. You can make several of these up. You're going to want to use different colors. You can make several of these up, and when they dry, they will hold on there. You can see here's a different one I've been using, and that thing will hold on there a whole lot better. Now, you can use that same principle if you're fishing for bass or whatever, and you want to use some bigger swim baits. You can use that same principle, do it on bigger jig heads, like a jig head like this, you know, with a larger minnow like that, you can do the same thing. And if you don't have a lot of braided line you want to use, if you don't have any old braided line,
you can just go to the Dollar Tree, pick you up some dental floss, wrap it around there, do the same thing. Just regular plain dental floss will work. Thread will work. So whatever you got. But like I say, most people, if you're fishing, you got old braided fishing line around somewhere. I save a lot. Well, I won't say a lot, but I save several spools up when I strip it off because I use it for a lot of different things like this. So I hope this tip will help you. Don't forget, hit that like and subscribe. Share my videos, help me grow my channel. We got a lot planned getting out there this year. Want to do a lot of different things with the channel and help it grow. Maybe entertain y'all and help you with a few tips here and there. So as I always say, till next time, may God bless you, and we'll catch you later.